Hi viewers, welcome back to ABP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel. You are watching Fortune Shantalia Sky Villas at Kokapet, Hyderabad, ultra luxury gated community apartments, 4 BHK Sky Villas. Welcome to Fortune Shantalia Sky Villas, an architectural landmark redefining luxury living in Hyderabad. Nestled in the upscale locality of Kokapet, this exclusive gated community offers the grandeur of a villa with sophistication of a high-rise lifestyle developed by Sri Srinivasa Infra. The project is spread across 5.17 acres, designed for just 232 elite residences, ensuring utmost privacy and exclusivity. Rising G plus 28 floors high, this ultra spacious 4 BHK sky villas range from 6,332 square feet to 7,333 square feet, offering breathtaking panoramic views of Gandipet Lake and the surrounding green landscape. Each residency is thoughtfully designed with expensive balconies, double heighted living areas, and world class finishings to create a home that exudes elegance, comfort, and prestige. Project highlights: Kokapet, Hyderabad, near to Financial District and Gachibowli. 4 BHK ultra luxury sky villas range 6,332 square feet to 7,333 square feet. 232 premium residences, 5.17 acres, G plus 28 floors high rise towers. Approved by HMDA, RERA, ready to move. The budget range 11 crores 75 lakhs approximately. Price will be negotiation. Luxury amenities experience a lifestyle curated for the privileged few with over 45,000 square feet world class amenities, including exclusive clubhouse with multiple indoor recreation zones, infinity swimming pool overlooking city and lake view, state of the art fitness center and spa, multi sports court, tennis, basketball, badminton, cricket net, amphitheater, jogging track, yoga deck, kids play area zone, crèche facility, bus buses launch, banquet hall and conference rooms, landscaped gardens, water features and sun decks, three-level covered car parking with EV charging point, 24 into 7 security and CCTV surveillance. Architecture and design. Each sky villa is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. The residences features grand entrance, lobbies, and high-speed elevators, double height ceiling for elegance, openness, and light. Imported marbles flooring and premium modular kitchens provide terrace with panoramic lake view. Smart home automation for lightings, climate and security control. Soundproofed windows and advanced fire safety system. The project is crafted to meet international standards of quality and sustainability, blending modern architecture with functional luxury. Location advantages: located in Kokapet, one of the Hyderabad's most sought after residential zones, Fortune, Shantalia, Sky Villas ensure exponential connectivity, 5 minutes to Financial District and Gachibowli, 10 minutes to iTech City and Wipro Circle, 5 minutes to ORR exit number 18, close to top international schools, hospitals, shopping hubs, and fine dining destinations. With its serene settings, with proximity to major IT and business corridors, Kokapet is rapidly emerging as a Hyderabad's next premium residential hub. Why choose Fortune Shantalia Sky Villas, one of the largest residential unit in Hyderabad's true villa scale luxury, unmatched privacy, ventilation, and scenic view. High-end lifestyle amenities for comfort and leisure. Developed by the a trusted builder Sri Srinivasa Infra, RERA registered and legally compliant project, ideal for HNIs, NRIs, and luxury investors seeking exclusive living. Fortune Shantalia Sky Villas at Kokapet is not just an address, it's a symbol of signature and sophistication designed for the elite. It offers an unparalleled blend of architectural excellence, luxury, amenities, and a serene environment in the heart of Hyderabad most promising growth corridor. For contact for details and site visit 7569385904. If you are watching first time ABP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share your friends and family members. In this community, we have resale 4 BHK Sky Villa for sale, east facing flat on 12th floor. You are watching actual flat video. No loan on this flat without interior, brand new flat, ready to move in. We are dealing West Hyderabad, all reputed builders. If you want to purchase, if you want to sell, let us know. We will help to sell your property. This is the ready to move gated community Sky Villas in Gandipet Road, close to Narsingi, Nehru Outer Ring Road, Financial District, IT Hub, and US Consulate Airport. Thank you so much. Watch complete video till the end. Please follow our channel. If you are watching first time, subscribe our channel. Click on bell icon. You will get future videos notifications. Thank you so much. Bye.